Here's how to do the Easter egg on Vandorn farm in BO7. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have already started the game. Now what you need to do is to walk until you see there the behind the house and you will see there a trash can. This is where the Easter egg is located. So the next step is very important. Once you have already see the trash can, what you need to do is to open it, and then afterwards what you need to do is to feed the weapon itself. So you have to feed the weapon or the trash can so that you can go ahead and relocate and get the Easter egg from the trash can. Afterwards, what you need to do is to salvage it so that you can go ahead and get it on your own. Once you have already salvaged the trash can, you will see that there were enemies coming from you. What you need to do is to protect the Easter egg and don't let them get it for you. Afterwards, you will now win and you have now your Easter egg on your Vandorn farm in BO7 game.